Hi guys. It's been a long time without doing anything, guys, without posting about music on this channel. So, guys, if it's your first time to be here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. I hope muri safe muri, guys. So, without wasting your time, today we want to make a simple, and best. Uh, Amapiano, guys. So within 5 minutes, must finish this tutorial. So let's start. So the first thing what we can do, we just drag drum loops. If you have drum loops, you can drop it here. Ne? So you can drop it here, and you can come here, and you make detect tempo. Then you see the first tempo is this one. It's 113, you see. Then you can press it and you say yes. Okay, boom. You see, this is the tempo 113. So that means your beat is going to be on 113 tempo. So we have everything here. Now we have our drum loop here. So let's play it. Yes, you see. Here's our drum loop. So what can we do? The second thing what we can do, just check something. You see, we'll put pattern one here. Okay, let me do like this. Okay. Then you can drag it like this and put it. Okay, put it here. Boom. Okay, pattern one. Okay. 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 You can line it here. Okay. 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 I hope it's making sense, guys. Okay. Yes. Yes. Something like this. Okay. Ni our Amapiano. Okay. 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 Okay, I hope you see the sense of that I'm making, guys. Yes. Yes. I hope you understand that, guys. You can see what we are doing here. Okay. What the next? Now, we just want that something is here. So you just come here and check morphine. You see, you can come and check morphine. Where is it? Here's morphine, guys. Then yeah. Yes, I hope we hear what I'm doing, guys. Yes. Okay. Yes, guys, let me make it that sound, guys. Okay, come here, we can put it on by morphine. Okay, let me still looking for you. Here's it, guys. Okay, you can come here. Yes. Here's it, guys. That thing we want is, you see. Here's it, guys. Yes. Yes. Yes, guys. Yes. I hope you see what I'm doing here. Yes. I hope you see what I'm doing. That is the basic of Amapiano, guys. So I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. That is the basic of how to make Amapiano, guys. Okay, let me show you that pattern of lockdown. Okay, before I cut this video. Okay, on the pattern one, then we have this. Let me show you. I something you can put it there, you see. Yeah. Then I'll put a low drum preset, you see. Then I'll put this. Yeah. You see? Okay. Hi. 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 You- Hi. And how to imba papa, then you can sing. Just to show you how to put bass there, guys. Just want to show you how to put bass. Bass. Wait. Show you how to put it bass, guys. I think you see how I put my bass. I was already made it, you see. Yo, boy. I hope you understand, guys, what I do. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you on my next video. Okay, boom. Thank you very much, guys. Okay.